Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate ClickFunnels with CONVERTKIT or Kit. All right, this one right here is formerly known as CONVERTKIT. So first up, go ahead and open up both websites. Right here, go to app.kit.com/dashboard and log in with your account. And on the other hand, go to ClickFunnels and log in with your account as well. Now, first up, in here under ClickFunnels, go to the left panel, click on Workspace Settings right here at the bottom left. Click on it and click on Integrations. All right, click, wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead over to the search bar. Now type in Kit. All right, wait for it to load. And once it loads, as you can see here, we have CONVERTKIT. Just click on it and it will open up a pop-up window. So in here, it says it will need an API secret. So where do we get it? So go ahead over to your Kit website right here or CONVERTKIT. Now go to the top right and click on your profile name. Go to Settings. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, scroll all the way down. And in here in the left panel, we have Developer section. Just click on it. Now, as you can see here we have the API secret. You can now go ahead and click on Copy and go back to the pop-up right here. Right click and paste. Proceed. Wait for it to verify. And as you can see here, ClickFunnels is reloading. Just wait for it. And once done, as you can see here, CONVERTKIT is now connected with ClickFunnels, right? That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.